On Goa Karnataka border in Sangam Taluka, we have big plans by Karnataka to impound the water filling Dudhsagar waterfall. This is the location on the topo sheet of Dudhsagar waterfall. So the plan is build a dam on the Katla Dam. This is a Katla Dam, and this is the river which feeds Dudhsagar water. It originates here in the mixed jungle. Then Palna Dam. It is a small tributary which feeds Dudhsagar. And interestingly, both these dams which they have planned, they are very close to Goa Karnataka border. This is the overall picture of that whole area, which has a very high stream density. So this is the location of Dudhsagar waterfall, and naturally the construction of these two proposed dams, if they are permitted by the proposed Mahadayi River Basin Water Authority, then it will cause restriction of flow to the Dudhsagar waterfall, and that will spell doom for Goa, because the Dudhsagar river downstream becomes Khandepa river, which is a major tributary of the Mandavi Mahadayi river system, and it brings torrential water, huge amount of water from these upper ghats in this Dudhsagar area.